Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome or welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my holiday binder with $50 in prop money. So let's get started. I can't remember if we're going to finish any today. I don't think so, but we shall see. All right. Do we have a spot that we stop? No, we're going to start at the beginning. And we are going to do, oh, I done threw the money. All right, we're going to start with this one, created by Budgeting by Dina US. So I just finished this side first, or should I scratch one on this side? I'll scratch one on this side. Let's go ahead and do this one. Okay, not bad, $10. So this is double-sided. One side is 75 and the other side is 45, I believe. Yeah, 45. So no, let me remember, $10. So this is going towards Black Friday, which is creeping up on us. Goodness, slow down. Next, we are saving for Christmas, and this beautiful book created by Cajangirlcreates on Etsy. And I'm on this page, and I want to do at least 2 on here. Can I do 2? Because, I mean, all the other holidays is, maybe we can do 3. Because all the other holidays is a little far away, you know? We just getting a head start. So, let's do this one. So that's 5. Okay, feel good about that. Let's do this one. Oh, wow. Okay, that's 8. That's 13. We gonna stop there. Should I do one more? Let's do one more. Okay, not bad. So what's that? 15, 12, 13, no, 14, right? Oh, no, what I had? 13, 14, 15. Yeah, $15. So $15 is going into here. So 15. Perfect. So make sure I had 8, 13, 14, 15. Okay. $15 going to Christmas. All right. And let's go to New Year. New Year is created. Look at me just throwing the money. Created by Bookish Mama Budgets. This says 50. Should I finish this one? I just want to just finish everything. Let's see. Got a lot in that one. We might. Yeah, let's go ahead. Okay, that's a 3. So now I definitely have to finish. And then the last one is, where are you? 4. Okay. So what's that, 7? So let's get that done. And $7, 5, 6, 7. And this is, yeah, for New Year. And my budget, my goal is 120, and this should be, when I add this up, it should be 50 here, so then it'd be 100 total. Okay. What am I doing? Okay. So we got 20, 40, 5, 7, 8, 9, 50. Yes, $50. So that is completed. Oh, why do my pen has to be all the way up there? So we're going to put plus 50 and a total 100. Beautiful. Almost there. I'm just going to put this back in here so it won't get mixed up. So we completed that one. And we can keep going. We have Valentine's Day, created by Budget with Carly. This says 65. So let's go here. That's a 3. I almost want to do another one. No, we just stop because Valentine's Day is a little away. And let me see. When I finish this one, I should be, okay, when I finish this one, I should be at my goal. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. So we're really not in a rush to finish that one. Easter. Are you guys saving for the holidays? How do you guys save? Do you just go month by month? Let me know down below. This is created by Bookish Mama Budget, says 55. So this, let's go. Ooh, Lordy Jesus. And the amounts are 3 through 9, and I got the 9. Do I have $9? Here you go, trying to finish stuff and don't even got the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh yeah, I do. $6 more. Okay. So $9 is going for Easter. And then I put a new one in here for birthday. The next birthday coming up is my birthday in January. So I'm just going to save a little bit to buy myself a nice little gift. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. It's a scratch, roll, and save. So I think I'm just going to... Ooh, I'm scared because I don't know the amounts. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got $6. Whew. Should I just... I'm just going to roll. Let's get a die. And let's roll 6-sided die. And we got a 3. Okay. So let me get a marker. Why do I have everything so far away? So you can put... Oh, you can't see that? Oh dear, I need a black marker. But I can't reach it. So I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, $3 left. All right. And then we are... So we don't have an IOU. We're going to put this last $3 inside the buffer. Why did I put that marker back? So $3. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budgets also. So $3 is going into here. Perfect. All right. That is my holiday binder. It's coming along. I'm getting ahead for next year, which I love. So at the beginning of the year, I can try to focus on other things. Yes, yes, yes. All right, gems, that is it. That was $50 put into my holiday binder. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.